Here is another quick guide to using CodePen, and this one we will be making a table manually. So I may as well call this one Making a Table in HTML. So if you ever wondered how a table works or how to add one manually, this is how you do it. All we really need to do is add the tag table, and then we add the end tag of table, of course. And I'm lazy, so I copy and paste it. And you can actually just add TR and TDs in this if you really wanted to, but if you want to have it super correct in its structure, you would add a T-head, and then a closed T-head. And then in this, you could actually add TH, I think. Or does that replace the TD? TR, we can just add T. That's for table row. So now you got table, table head, table row, TR. This is how to do without looking at my keyboard. For some reason I use my microphone blocks where the keyboard is. It's very smart, isn't it? And then yes, you can add, I think, a TH cells in the head. Let's check. This might be wrong. Let's just check. Can't get everything right straight away, can we? That's a TH cell. So I think that's how you use the THs in the head. And I think that TH automatically has a formatting on it. So we'll put a H so we know it is, and it's usually, I think, default just to bold. And now we will finish our T head row. Actually, we'll add another 1 and 2 there. So TH1 and then 2 will make a 3-column table. I can't count today. So now we got TH1 and 2 and 3. And then we move into our T body. I think the only reason you put the T head and the T body in there is for correct structure. So now we were in our T, I don't even know I copied that actually, body, because I'm lazy and I copy, that changed it automatically. That's very clever. Yes, anyway. TR and TH for head, and then we go another T. This is a row, so this is the start of a row. A TR is a row, table row, I guess it stands for. And a table row, I like to end them straight away, otherwise I forget to do it later. And then for our data, we will need to match the top data unless we're using a call span or something like that. So now we go TD, and this is number. I really need to move my mic so I can see my keyboard, don't I? TD. And yes, there's also center alignment as default on these table heads. So let's actually make this table show some borders. So, I can't remember how to do border actually. Border equals 1, does that work? I don't remember. Oh, that's the really old school horrible 3D borders that are still built into HTML. That works for now. That's probably not supported anymore or recommended, but while we're editing this table, then you can see where the actual bits go. So this is TH1, which is the top, obviously, and we're doing 3 cols. These will just go the size of the data usually. So if we add a whole bunch of data in here, that should resize this all the way out. Yeah. And eventually I think the table just hits the side of the screen, and then it will start wrapping. There are some more settings you can use to change the wrapping, or maybe you should put a BR in there or wrap less if you want to do manual wrapping. But yes, we will just start with how to create a table. So we won't go too crazily in depth with this. So now we just need to copy so we have our table row, and then we have our table data cell. So table data, then the actual data, and the end of the table data. And because I'm lazy, I'm going to copy and paste these and change 2 and 3. And you can see, oh, I better save. And that there is the very basics of creating a table with a terrible looking border on it. Obviously, you would probably not be using these borders because they look quite bad. But that's just to illustrate what the table looks like and how it's kind of laid out. So yes, that is how you add a table in HTML, or make a table in HTML. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.